If you truly want to understand the heart and soul of Brazil, to feel its rhythm and embrace its spirit, there's a culinary journey you absolutely must undertake. You have to taste feijoada. It's more than just a dish, it's an immersion into Brazilian culture. This isn't just a simple stew of black beans and pork, it's a symphony of flavors, a complex tapestry woven with history and tradition. It's a huge food story, a narrative that spans generations and connects people from all walks of life. A tale cooked and refined for hundreds of years, passed down through families, each adding their own unique touch. Feijoada connects the past to the present, bridging the gap between generations and preserving culinary heritage. It unites the rich to the poor, transcending social barriers and bringing everyone to the same table. And it connects the farm to the city, celebrating the ingredients that come from the land and the culinary artistry that transforms them. At first glance, it looks simple, perhaps even unassuming. A dark, hearty stew brimming with different cuts of meat, each contributing its unique flavor and texture. Served alongside fluffy white rice, vibrant collard greens, and toasted cassava flour known as farofa, adding layers of texture and flavor. But every spoonful tells a story, a narrative woven with resilience and resourcefulness. A story of survival, cleverness in utilizing every part of the animal, and the importance of community. Feijoada is Brazil's national dish for a reason. It embodies the spirit and history of the nation. It's a masterpiece born from history, a testament to the ingenuity and culinary traditions of the Brazilian people, and a love for honest flavors, celebrating the natural bounty of the land and the simple pleasures of good food. The smell alone, it's intoxicating. Earthy beans, smoky pork, a symphony of aromas that awakens the senses and stirs the appetite. Fills homes and restaurants, creating a welcoming and comforting atmosphere. Especially on Wednesdays and Saturdays, when families and friends gather to share this iconic dish. This is slow food, a culinary art form that requires patience and dedication, where time is an ingredient, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly unforgettable experience. And everything mixes into amazing depth, creating a complex and satisfying flavor profile that lingers on the palate. It's a meal that makes you slow down, encouraging you to savor each bite and appreciate the moment. Gather with friends, share stories, and enjoy the simple pleasure of good company and great food. Feijoada turns simple cuts of meat, often overlooked, into something fancy and celebrated, a dish worthy of special occasions and cherished traditions. To truly know Brazil, to understand its history, its people, and its soul, you must know feijoada. It's an essential part of the Brazilian experience. It's more than just food, it's a cultural icon, a symbol of national pride and identity. It's a shared experience, a communal ritual that brings people together and fosters a sense of belonging. And a symbol of what it means to be Brazilian, embodying the values of community, resilience, and a love for life. This is the kind of food that opens up your taste buds, igniting a passion for new flavors and culinary adventures. And your understanding of the world, broadening your horizons and connecting you to a rich and vibrant culture. One amazing bite, a single moment of culinary bliss, and you're tasting Brazil itself, experiencing the heart and soul of this incredible nation. In Brazil, feijoada is much more than just a simple food. It's a culinary cornerstone, a dish woven into the very fabric of Brazilian society. It's an event, a social gathering. It's a reason to gather with loved ones, a centerpiece that brings people together around the table. It's a main dish for parties and celebrations, a hearty and satisfying meal perfect for sharing with large groups of friends and family. It's a way to bring Brazilians together, fostering a sense of community and shared experience. Sharing feijoada is a special tradition passed down through generations, a ritual that strengthens family bonds. It's a social custom that makes friendships stronger, creating lasting memories over a shared plate. The meal lasts for hours, a leisurely affair meant to be savored and enjoyed. It's filled with lively talking and animated discussions, a chance to catch up and share stories, and plenty of laughter, creating a joyful and convivial atmosphere. And often, the vibrant sounds of samba music fill the background, adding to the festive ambiance. Its strong and complex flavors are truly captivating. The creamy black beans and the variety of salty, smoked pork create a symphony of tastes. They create a special mix that is uniquely Brazilian, a flavor profile unlike any other. Feijoada is comfort food elevated into an art form, a culinary masterpiece. It's a story of taking simple ingredients and transforming them into something truly amazing and unforgettable. It rightfully belongs among the world's most famous and celebrated dishes, a testament to Brazilian culinary ingenuity. It's undeniably Brazilian in its sense of place, deeply rooted in the country's history and culture. The carefully chosen side dishes, such as collard greens and fluffy white rice, along with farofa and slices of fresh orange, perfectly balance and complete the entire meal, creating a harmonious culinary experience. Feijoada serves as a global ambassador, introducing the world to the rich and diverse flavors of Brazilian cuisine. But to truly understand and appreciate its essence, you absolutely must try it in Brazil, experiencing it in its authentic setting. It's the meal that welcomes you home with open arms, a symbol of warmth and hospitality. It's the main and most important part of any celebration, a centerpiece that brings joy and festivity to any occasion. And it's a living, breathing piece of Brazilian culture, a tradition that continues to thrive and evolve. Feijoada is so much more than just a dish on a menu. It's a vibrant and flavorful representation of Brazil itself, served on a plate. To understand feijoada, a dish celebrated throughout Brazil, you must look closely at the intricate and often complex layers of Brazilian history. It's a culinary journey through time. Its roots reach far back, all the way to Africa, Europe, with its own rich culinary traditions, and the native lands of South America, each contributing unique flavors and techniques. The most common origin story, often repeated, gives credit to enslaved Africans, who ingeniously turned overlooked scraps, like ears, tails, considered less desirable cuts, and feet, into something surprisingly filling and nourishing. They skillfully mixed these pork parts with native black beans, a staple ingredient, slow cooking them in traditional clay pots over open fires, much like the hearty stews found in West African cuisine. This act of food magic, born out of necessity, truly shows how clever and resourceful and ultimately good at surviving they were in the face of adversity. But the story is even more complex and nuanced than that. Portuguese settlers, arriving on Brazilian shores, brought with them their own deep love for rich meat and bean stews, a prime example being the comforting cozido. European cooking methods, refined over centuries, gradually mixed and intertwined with locally available ingredients, adding distinctive cured meats like the flavorful linguiça and the uniquely spiced paio sausage. Native people, the original inhabitants, contributed the now essential black beans, cassava root, which is transformed into the versatile farofa, and passed down the traditional clay pot cooking method still cherished today. Feijoada, therefore, is much more than just a dish. It's a vibrant mix of cultures, African, Portuguese, and Native American influences, all skillfully cooked together in a harmonious blend. It's a dish that didn't originate from just one single place or tradition, but rather from the convergence of different histories, experiences, and culinary practices coming together over time. Every single bite offers a taste of Brazil's rich and layered history, a story told through flavor and texture. Feijoada is the undeniably delicious and satisfying result of diverse cultures meeting and melding together in one pot. It is, truly and undeniably, the authentic taste of Brazil's complex past and vibrant present, all in a single unforgettable dish. The heart of feijoada beats with an African rhythm. Enslaved Africans brought the tradition of slow-cooked stews, adapting to new ingredients and tough conditions. They turned discarded cuts, feet, ears, tail, into rich, thick broths, getting flavor and food from them. Black beans, cheap and healthy, became a main food, cooked together in the slave quarters. This method created a meal that could feed many, offering comfort and community in a cruel world. Today, every bite of feijoada is a taste of this past, a story of survival and cultural expression. The dish, once born out of need, is now a symbol of national pride. Feijoada's journey from survival food to celebration shows the lasting power of African culture in Brazil. It's a delicious reminder of strength and creativity. While feijoada's soul is African, its structure is clearly Portuguese. The Portuguese brought hearty stews and, very importantly, cured and smoked pork products. Paio, linguiça, salt pork. These ingredients added smoky, salty depth, now key to feijoada's flavor. The Portuguese style of meat-heavy stews was smartly used by African cooks with local beans and slow cooking methods. Even the collard greens are like European traditions, but changed into a special Brazilian side. Feijoada is a lively mix: Portuguese structure, African cooking methods, Brazilian identity. Feijoada is like an orchestra of ingredients, each playing an important part. At its heart, Black beans cooked until creamy and dark, forming the dish's base. The meats, salted beef, pork ribs, bacon, paio, linguica, and pig's feet or ears, each add unique flavor and texture. Smelly ingredients like onions, garlic, and bay leaves build complexity, while some cooks add orange for balance. The side dishes are essential. White rice to soak up the broth, farofa for crunch, collard greens for freshness, and orange slices to clean your mouth. Every part is carefully chosen, creating a perfectly balanced meal. Each bite offers a new mix of taste and texture. The result is a dish that's filling, layered, and very satisfying. Feijoada is more than a stew, it's a complete food experience. The ingredients tell a story of being clever and traditional. Together, they create Brazil's most famous meal. Making feijoada is a labor of love, starting days before. Salted meats are soaked to remove extra salt, while beans soak overnight. On cooking day, onions and garlic are cooked in oil for the flavor base, then meats are added in steps. The key is a slow simmer. Hours of gentle bubbling mix flavors and create a smooth, rich broth. The cook stirs, tastes, and adjusts, making sure it's perfect. When ready, the meats are cut, the stew is served in a simple pot, and the side dishes are arranged. The final spread is colorful and plentiful, a feast for the eyes and the senses. Feijoada is about patience, care, and tradition. It's a meal that rewards time and attention. The result, a very satisfying, unforgettable dish. In Brazil, feijoada is the king of Saturday lunch, a special custom. Restaurants serve it buffet style with live samba or choro music, creating a happy atmosphere. Friends and families gather, sharing laughter, stories, and many servings. The meal is slow and shared, often with cold beer or a shot of cachaca. The caipirinha, Brazil's national drink, is another favorite to pair with it. After feijoada, a nap is almost a must. The meal is so hearty, it makes you pleasantly sleepy. This tradition turns lunch into a cultural event, where recipes and stories are shared. Grandmothers brag about secret ingredients. Friends argue about the best version. Feijoada is about connection, memories, and the joy of being together. It's a delicious celebration of Brazilian life. Why look for feijoada? Because it's one of the world's great food experiences. To taste it is to taste Brazil's heart, a journey through history, culture, and flavor. Feijoada is an edible story made from hardship and served with joy. Each bite is a masterclass in flavor. Creamy beans, salty meats, smoky sausages, bright side dishes. It's a meal designed for balance and pleasure. Eating feijoada is a way to connect with Brazil, to join a custom that brings millions together. It's food that comforts, celebrates, and welcomes you. Above all, it's incredibly delicious, the best comfort food that lasts forever. On your next adventure, make Brazil a top priority. Find a busy spot, order feijoada completa, and let your world change, one spoonful at a time. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.